how to make this photo look like this. So the first thing is you just need to open up the photo, absolutely the in Adobe Photoshop. Then you just need to click here, over here, then essential. If you don't have essential, then set essential. Okay, inside this layer, here, you just need to click here, this round icon here, and here black and white. Okay, now we can see here something like this adjustment, properties adjustment, black and white. Okay, I need to dip something here. Okay, the hair color. Okay, I'm gonna little bit deep here. This looks more perfect. Then magenta. Yes. Now this looks quite good. Okay. Now what to do is just select your brush tool here, and okay, brush tool, and then you just need to resize it. And I'm gonna select this one hair size. I'm gonna listen to a little bit here. Hardness. Okay. Select all the things as a. Then you need to do this. Okay. Look at this. So one thing here, we are not coloring anything. We are just revealing the original color here. Depends on your ability to wait, or you can say completely depends. It depends on your patience, because editing is all about your patience. If you're patient enough, then you can do some incredible things. Like I think it's good now. Okay, I think it's fine. Okay, now I'm gonna uh, reveal the eye color here. Look how look this good. I'm gonna okay, the other eyes. So beautiful. I think it's fine now. Okay, okay, now all looks good, and now we're gonna saturation something. So here, where is the saturation here? Adjustment. Then click here, hue saturation. Then you can increase the saturation a little bit. That will make the photo looks better. Okay, now you can export it. Export, export as format JPEG quality. I'm gonna put it very good or excellent. This the better the quality, the higher the properties. Okay, hide it weighted, and I'm gonna export it. Export where I'm gonna pick it here to desktop. Okay, now we can close it. No, we don't want to save it. So guys, I think you got this. So if you had any problem, you can ask in the comment section.